Scene script. Ever pondered why your favorite dish doesn't quite hit the mark when you double or triple the recipe? The answer lies in the science and art of cooking. When you take a recipe and increase the portions, you're not just upping the quantity, you're altering the entire culinary equation. The taste, texture, and even the aesthetics of your dish can be affected in ways you might not expect. The first reason is ingredient absorption. Food isn't just a vessel for flavors, it's a complex matrix that absorbs and interacts with ingredients differently depending on its size and volume. As the portion size increases, each bite may not soak up the same amount of flavor, leading to a slightly different taste experience. The second factor swings around the clock. Larger dishes often require longer cooking times, which can alter how flavors develop and meld together. The extended heat exposure can change the structure of ingredients, affecting both taste and texture. Thirdly, the strength of flavors can be diluted when scaling up a dish. While it might seem logical to simply double all the ingredients, the intensity of certain flavors doesn't always scale up linearly. This means that some ingredients need to be adjusted more than others to maintain that perfect flavor balance. Next, there's the question of density and texture. Ingredient ratios can greatly impact the density and texture of a dish. For example, adding too much flour to a cake recipe can make it denser, not necessarily larger. Lastly, the equipment you're using can also throw a wrench in the works. Larger dishes might require larger or different cookware, and the heat distribution in a bigger pan or pot can affect the cooking process. So, what's the takeaway from all this? Scaling up a recipe isn't as simple as multiplying the ingredients. It's a delicate balancing act of adjusting flavors, managing cooking times, considering ingredient densities, and choosing the right equipment. In the world of culinary arts, understanding how to adapt recipes for different portion sizes is a skill in itself. It's about more than just quantity, it's about maintaining the quality of taste, texture, and presentation that makes a dish truly delicious. Keep these points in mind the next time you're in the kitchen, and you'll be one step closer to mastering the art of cooking for a crowd.